Being a woman in construction is very important to me, but let's first start with being in the construction industry. It has been my career, it has been my life's work, and it has afforded me to take care of my family. It's not lost on me that being a woman in construction, I am a minority. There are about 11% of us in the construction industry. I love working in it every day, and I have great team members. Hi, my name is Stacy Barton. I'm with Haskell, and I'm one of the vice presidents of construction. I've been with Haskell for 28 years and have held many different roles here, from assistant project manager to chief of staff to the COO to vice president of construction. Early on in my career, my mentors were all male. There weren't any women who had been in the career longer than I had when I came to Haskell. I was very fortunate to have male role models, male mentors, male sponsors who gave me stretch assignments. I would say today, with the number of women that Haskell has in the construction industry, it's important to find your person, whether it be a male mentor or a female mentor. It can be career changing. I really love working with the young women, encouraging them, take those stretch assignments. There's every opportunity for you in the construction industry, just as if you were a male. I mean, gender is no boundary. I think when it comes to the construction industry, you've got the trades, which are the ultimate job in construction. Without the trades, we can't manage projects. We don't have a pipeline of work. We don't have careers. On the flip side, the college graduates who are in construction management, who want a degree in the project management, and that's what my degree is in, we really find this degree by chance. It's a found degree is what it's called. Many parents that I've spoken to, as I've encouraged women to go this career path, say, I'm not going to pay tuition to go to construction school. They don't understand it as a business degree with a niche market in construction. The advice that I would give a woman interested in pursuing a career in construction is do it. Come talk to me, talk to other women here at Haskell. It's a wonderful career, it's dynamic, it's exciting, and there's a lot of growth potential. Join Haskell and me in celebrating the role of women in construction from March 3rd through March 9th. This week, we will be highlighting some of the amazing women we have here at Haskell, changing the industry. I'm Stacy Barton. I'm a vice president of construction. I am a woman in construction.